Exciting news for Android enthusiasts. Google has just unleashed the Android 16 QPR2 Beta 2 for Pixel devices, marking a significant step forward in the Android 16 beta program. But here's where it gets intriguing. This update isn't just a minor tweak. It's a substantial leap, packed with features that could reshape your Android experience. Let's dive into what's new and why it matters. A deeper look at Android 16 QPR2 Beta 2. Quarterly platform releases, QPRs, are known for bringing more impactful changes compared to the usual monthly bug fixes, and Android 16 QPR2 is no exception. Historically, QPRs have been relatively stable, often launching as betas rather than developer previews. Google assures users that these releases are suitable for general use, with Android 16 QPR2 expected to hit the scene in December. And this is the part most people miss. This release introduces a platform stability milestone, a first for QPRs, ensuring a more polished and reliable user experience. For developers, QPR2 Beta 2 has reached this crucial platform stability milestone, meaning final app-facing behaviors are now in place. However, Google reminds us that Android 16 QPR2 is still in active development, so occasional hiccups might occur. Now let's explore the standout features. Enhanced security measures. Developer verification. A new requirement links real-world entities, individuals and organizations to their Android applications, making it tougher for malicious actors to cause harm. This is a bold move to elevate Android security standards, but it also raises questions about privacy and implementation complexity. What do you think? Is this a step too far or a necessary evolution? SMS OTP protection. To combat OTP hijacking, messages containing an SMS retriever hash will be delayed for most apps by 3 hours. Apps can still use the SMS retriever API to access their intended messages promptly. This feature balances security with functionality, but could it potentially disrupt user workflows? We'd love to hear your thoughts. User experience upgrades. Custom app icon shapes. Android 16 QPR2 lets users personalize their home screens by choosing from a variety of icon shapes that apply universally to all app icons and folder previews. It's a small change, but one that adds a touch of individuality to your device. Efficient garbage collection. The Android runtime, ART, now includes a generational concurrent mark compact CMC garbage collector, focusing on newly allocated objects. This results in reduced CPU usage, smoother performance, and improved battery life. It's a behind-the-scenes upgrade that promises a more seamless experience. Health and fitness enhancements. Automatic step tracking. Health Connect now automatically tracks steps using your device's sensors, making it easier than ever to monitor your daily activity. Additionally, the exercise segment and exercise session data types have been updated for more comprehensive fitness tracking. How to get Android 16 QPR2 Beta 2. This update is available for a wide range of Pixel devices, from the Pixel 6 to the latest Pixel 10 series, as well as the Android emulator. Most users will opt for the Android Beta program, but flashing or sideloading are also options for the more technically inclined. The Android Beta feedback app is readily available on Pixel devices for reporting issues, and the Android Beta community on Reddit is a great place to share experiences and tips. Final thoughts and your input. Android 16 QPR2 Beta 2 is a feature-rich update that addresses security, performance, and user customization. But as with any significant release, it's not without its potential controversies. Do you think the new security measures go far enough, or do they overstep? How do you feel about the balance between customization and system stability? Let us know in the comments. We're eager to hear your perspective.